Welcome back to Not Your Mama's Cooking Show. Today, I'm going to show you how to make lumpia. Let's start by dicing up 1 cup of celery, then we're going to dice up 1 cup of carrots, followed by half a cup of finely diced onions. Then we are going to cut half a cup of green onion. Now that we've got all the vegetables diced up, I'm going to mix them with the adobo and the tempura sauce in our meat. Let's go with our celery, onions, carrots, green onions. Mix it all together. And now we're going to add the tablespoon of adobo. And then our tempura sauce. Gonna go half a cup. Get all that in there, get it all marinated. For the lumpia wrappers, it's a really easy recipe. You're gonna need 1.5 cups of flour, half a cup of water, and a half teaspoon of salt. Starting with our 1.5 cups of flour, then add the half a teaspoon of salt. Blend both of those together. I'm going to create a little pool right here in the center to put the water. After pouring the water in, you want to mix it all around until it starts becoming a nice solid dough ball, kind of like what we have here. Alright, so now we have our lumpia wrapper dough. I let it sit out for about 30 minutes after I made it. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll it out into a log shape. Now I'm going to cut 1-inch pieces off of the log and roll them into little balls. And then I'm going to roll them into little sheets about 4 to 6 inches in diameter. I got the lumpia wrappers made, I got the meat made and ready to go. Now we're going to wrap them up and then we're going to fry them. Not the best looking wrapper here, but I'm going to make it work regardless. It's still going to be good no matter what. Process was crazy. It took 2 days because I screwed up yesterday because I didn't have the wrappers. Making the wrappers was a lot easier than I thought, and I don't know why I didn't do that to begin with. But now it's time for the moment of truth. They came out nice, a nice crispy golden brown. I got some sweet chili sauce to go with it. So here we go. My God. Immediately, I taste the celery, the carrots, the onions, and that tempura sauce. I almost don't taste the beef at all. And the sweet chili sauce really adds an extra bit of flavor. So good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check out the YouTube channel Just Winging It. That's where I got this recipe from. Mariah from that channel had requested I made these. So this one's for you, Mariah. It's for Grandma. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys next time while I chow down on my lumpia.